We're moving. It starts with an S.
See?